Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. It's Friday. Sorry for the sun. It's Friday at like 3 o'clock. Just getting ready, packing the Jeep. We're gonna go on a little overland trip with a few buddies. Meet up with another group, so it should be super fun. This is a Natural State Overland annual event. It's called like Bonfire Rendezvous or something like that. Maybe I can link the description or the event, Facebook event, in the description. So anyway, I thought this could be a really good time for me to kind of go through, gosh, I'm bad at this, go through like my gear and my setup in the Jeep. I've actually never showed you guys how I pack everything or what I bring with me camping, or things like that. So yeah, I'll probably just set like a time lapse of me putting everything in the Jeep, and then I'll go over like really quick all my gear and stuff. Salmon, bacon, Hot Pocket, beer, and then we have this filled with water. So I'm just gonna dump some ice in here, and then I do have a couple of those Mountain House meals, so this should be plenty for 2 days. Put all the ice in there. I like to keep all my food in one area, even though it doesn't require like being cold, but I like it to be all in one spot. All right, so we got everything kind of consolidated here. What's awesome is if you keep everything kind of in its own little space, already kind of ready to go, then all you have to do is get it off the shelf and put it in the Jeep. So, all I had to do was basically pack my clothes and the cooler and fill the water. Pretty much everything else was ready to go. This was my old water jug. I'm not gonna use that, I'm gonna use the bigger one. So I have my axe. I've used this several times. It's come in handy many times. So I just put it up there on the little quick fist mounts, hangs up there. This just has like sleeping bags and pillows. Since I'm staying with a buddy in his rooftop tent, I don't know if I'm gonna take that or not. But anyway, when I do take that, it sits right up here on the cargo rack like perfectly. And it's really lightweight just because there's sleeping bags in there. Next is my, I guess, catch-all box. I'll just try to breeze through this really quick. Sweet, everything's falling. I have everything kind of sectioned with like baskets or some kind of container to keep everything in the same spot. So that's pretty nice. Here's like my toiletries bag, kind of. There I have like tissues and toothbrush and bug spray and soap, wipes, seasoning, random seasoning, toilet paper, a little lantern. I got a cook set here. It's a general cook set. Propane, several mugs to share around the campfire. Always have paper towels. Here's kind of like utensils. I have like dish scrubbing stuff in here, knives, lighters, tongs, another mug, cutting board. Right here is a cutting board. Some eggs. Oh, that reminds me, I still have to pack eggs. And this is kind of my cooking box, I guess. I have a little container with some cups in it to boil. A couple pocket stoves. What is this? Oh, this is like AeroPress for coffee. Oh yeah, here's my AeroPress. Another pocket stove. So pretty much keep all of that in there. And then I have my skillet, of course, which is pretty awkwardly in here. And then a Mountain House meal. So that's kind of it for this section. Next, always bring my portable air compressor. I don't have onboard air, so this is a like $70 kit or compressor that hooks to your battery. So I mean, it helps. It's not the best or the fastest, but it's something. And this is sort of like a recovery bag sort of thing. I have a tire deflator kit. I have my gloves, a shovel, lots of bungees, my winch remote, jumper cables, so just some miscellaneous car things there. Like I said, I got my clothes bag, I have my boots, and my cooler. So I think that pretty much does it. Oh, there's a few more things up here. This is like a sleeping bag that, it's kind of like a snuggie sleeping bag. It's kind of nice. I have a big awning back here. I don't think I'll bring that. I'll bring, of course, my tripods to film some videos. This is like our dog walking bag, but Kona's not gonna come with us on this one. Oh yeah, a hammock. Gotta bring my hammock. So as far as interior, I don't really change many things up. I, of course, bring a power bank for my phone to charge. Keep that in here. Charge my FRS radios. Make sure I have my phone magnet case on, and I do right now, so I use Gaia GPS for my routes and stuff like that. So I just throw it up right there. TomTom's kind of always there. I also bring my gun just in case. I don't know, just like to bring it. Little flashlight down there. So yeah, everything's pretty much ready to get put in the Jeep. So I think now we'll start like a time lapse and kind of work on getting it packed up. Another thing that I forgot to mention that I bring sometimes is this camp kitchen. It's just a foldable, really cheap kitchen thing. Basically just has like a little long table. I don't think I'm gonna bring that this trip. But yeah, usually I do if I'm gonna, be like heavily cooking, but I think I'll just cook off of this tailgate. This should be fine. It's just for me. I'm not cooking for my wife or anyone else. So, and this is the back. So this is where everything's gonna go. Probably bring this bag. It just has some like survival stuff in it. Sounds like some ammo's in there. Probably bring that too, but yeah, we're gonna start loading this up. Alright guys, here's like the final packed setup. First of all, I have these two little shelf kind of thing, divider things that I put some of these tie down points on. It's literally just some plywood wrapped in some general carpet. Super easy, whatever, it just gets stuff off the ground. Over here, that recovery box kind of thing, air compressor, cooler, everything else box, clothes, big jug of water so I can pull it back here and have water flow out here. I can wash my hands or whatever. A couple chairs, hammock. What else do I have back there? I think that's actually about it. I do have my axe mounted here and my sleeping bag and pillow up there, and some tarps, some other random things. In here, I have like, what do I have in here? Flashlights, multi-tools, knives, tire gauge in this one, some other, a headlamp, tripod, my boots, my power bank, and another little mount for my phone to record. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Another thing I do before trips is I'll clear my odometer trip just to calculate how far I've gone. I usually make a little inspection around the Jeep just to make sure everything's good, like check the battery terminals. Sometimes those have rattled loose. Sometimes for me, I have to tighten this track bar. Hopefully you can see that. Sometimes I have to tighten that track bar bolt for whatever reason it just kind of gets loose. But yeah, just go around and make sure everything's good. Your winch is working. Yeah, and of course top off your gas. Charge your phones. So yeah, that's pretty much it when I'm camping. Usually I'll bring like a tent or something, but for this scenario I'm going with another friend in his rooftop tent, so won't be needing my own. But the plan is to have a rooftop tent fairly soon. I have to build a roof rack with my soft top and everything, so that is a plan in the future. But yeah guys, that about does it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm really stoked for this trip. I've been planning for it for a while, so should be a really good time. Make sure to watch the following videos on my channel, kind of documenting the trip I have coming up. So yeah, thanks again for the support, and you guys have a good one.